girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video, and today is another entrepreneur life video. I know it's supposed to be a Fashion Fridays, but I just got my inventory in and I was just so excited and I needed to share it with you guys. So I went on and did this today instead of a Fashion Fridays. But don't forget, next Friday will be a Fashion Friday video because I do have some items to share with you guys. Okay? So if you want to see the items that's going to be selling in my store at flirtygirllashes.com, just stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. I'm super excited to be doing this video because I just got the rest of my inventory in. Well, majority of it in. I got my glue and all this stuff, so I'm really excited to share it with you guys. So yes, if you guys do not know, I am starting a business. It's called Flirty Girl Lashes, and I'll be selling lashes and lash accessories. So if you're not following me already, go on and follow your girl at Flirty Girl Lashes at on Instagram and on Facebook. And you can also follow my personal page at Shantelle Lace 32 on Instagram and on Facebook. So we're gonna go on and get started because yes, I'm just so excited. So I'm going to start by showing you the different lash styles that I will be having in my store. So the first style that we have is Fancy. So this is Fancy right here, and I want you guys to be able to see it really good. There we go. I know the light, sorry y'all. That's Fancy. And then we have Hottie. Super cute. These are my natural styles. And we have Flirty. This is one of my favorite styles right here. Ooh, super cute. Then we have Enticing. Because you know who doesn't like to entice them, okay? So yes, next up we have Frisky. There's Frisky right there. And then we have Foxy. Because who doesn't like to be a foxy lady sometimes, you know? Yes. And then we have Alluring. This is another one of my favorites. Okay. And then we have Tease. These are so cute, you know, when you just feel like giving them a little tease, honey. Just a little tease. And then when you're feeling naughty, we have our Naughty. Super cute. And we have Sultry. So these will be all of my natural style lashes. I may put some more styles in my natural collection, but that will be my natural styles. And then we have some 25mm. My 3D lashes haven't got here yet, but they'll be here any day now. So yes, but I do have my 25mm mink lashes. And for the first style, we have Glam Goddess, which I love these ones. They're so cute. We have Voluptuous. Very cute, very full, and just voluptuous. So I really do like these ones as well. Then we have Luscious. And these are very cute. Look at those. Luscious. So the next up we have is Classy. Ooh, yes. For you classy ladies out there that still like them long. Who doesn't? So, next up, I'm actually wearing these right here, and they are Seductive. Super pretty. And these are the lashes that I have on right now with no liner, no nothing. They look so good. Seductive. And then next we have Desirable. These are so cute. Look at that. Who's not going to desire you wanting these, boo? Okay? And then we have Kinky. Because, you know, we all got a kinky side, right? Very cute. I love these ones as well. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen me wearing these. And then last up we have is Bougie, which I love these as well. They're super cute. And if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen me wearing these as well. So those are all the lash styles that I have right now. I have more coming, but those are all the ones that you'll be able to pick up on Monday, June 1st. So next up, I do have some makeup bags that I will be selling. So you store your lashes in there, your lash utensils, and everything that you pick up from Flirty Girl Lashes. So let's get started into the bags that I have. I really like bags that have sayings on them, just kind of motivational and so forth. So the next one I have is a pink clear bag, and it says choose to shine, because we choosing to shine, boo. If you watch my channel, you know my favorite saying is stay fly and shine. So I really like this because it speaks to me and my brand. You're going to choose, because I choose to shine every day and stay fly, boo. And I want you to do the same too, okay? The next bag I have, it says live happy, because we're going to live happy and live our best life. So I really like this, and it's in blue. So very, very cute. The next bag I have, this one is a more of a canvas style. It's not a plastic bag. It's in white, pink, and purple, and it says eye candy. And I really like this because lashes is candies for your eyes. So hence eye candy. So I really, really like this. Definitely a cute bag to store your lashes in. And then the next one that I have is this purple bag, and it says you were born to sparkle. Super, super cute. And if you've seen my inventory, my business essentials video, you will see I got my tags and where I picked them up from and how I put them on here. And then the next one I have is a purple bag, because you know purple is my favorite color. And it has the little sparkles on there, and it says girl boss, because honey, we some girl bosses, boo. Girl bosses, okay? So yes, I really liked that. And then this last one is green, and it says I'm a daydreamer, because we all daydream, but we can turn those dreams into reality. Hence Flirty Girl Lashes, because this is a dream that I've had for a while, and I was just like, okay, we're just gonna go on and get this started, boo. So yes, super, super cute. Super, super cute. So those will be the bags that I have on my store, ready and available. On June 1st, I will be changing them out seasonally with different sayings and so forth. So, yes. So, we'll get into our first package. I had to open these packages because I wasn't sure what was inside. But this one has some more boxes that I ordered for my lashes. I'm waiting. If you have not watched my package inventory video, I kind of got scammed out of some money for some custom packaging. And I'm waiting for the bank to give me my money back or figure the situation out. And I'll order some more custom packaging because that was a lot of money. But these are the packages that I pick up from AliExpress. And I really do like them because they do match my brand. They're super, super cute. Love it. So I do like these, but I'm having several different, styles of lashes, and I wanted each collection to have its own packaging. So these are for my natural collection, and once I order some more custom packaging, there will be some more packaging for my other lashes as well. Until then, there will be in this packaging. The show must go on, so gotta stay positive, y'all. Show must go on. So I got packaging, and it's cute. I'll get my custom ones soon enough. So my next package right here, it came yesterday. I was so excited. I wasn't sure what it was because it is so heavy. But when I opened it up, it was my tweezers. So yes, super happy that they came. I think this is like 200 of them. But this is the package that it will come in. It has a little sticker logo on there. And I'm going to take one out for you guys. And these are some really nice tweezers, you guys. They are not plastic. They are metal, nice and heavy. Has my logo and everything on there. Flirty Girl Lashes. Super, super cute. Yes, and they are purple, boo, because purple is my favorite color, and it's the color of my brand. So yes, super, super cute. So you could pick these up as well on Flirty Girl Lashes to help you apply your lashes. It's just, they are very, very nice, and I'm so pleased. And my vendor even sent me extras, so I was happy about that too. So next up, we have this other box. Is my lash glue, you guys. It was so heavy when it came that it taped up really good, coming from China. And what's so crazy is that my vendors, they shipped this stuff last week. I wasn't expecting to get it on time for my launch. And they shipped it last week and I got it now. It took less than 7 days to get here, but AliExpress takes a month. Doesn't make any sense, but yes. So I'm gonna open this box up. And it's all my lash glue, you guys. Yay! So this is my lash packaging. It has my logo on the front, Flirty Girl Lashes. It has how to use the lash glue right here. Then it has my website right here. And then right here it has the ingredients, how long it lasts, and everything of that nature. So I am so happy about this. You guys do not understand. I was so happy when this came in. So let me open this up so you guys can see what the lash glue looks like. So my little packaging, so cute. So cute. So this is my lash glue. It is a white, it's a white glue, but it dries clear, and that's like the one that I prefer to use the most. And it has a black top. I'll probably add some clear glue and some black for those ladies that like the black and the clear. But this white, it does dry clear, and it has my logo on there. It is so beautiful, you guys. I am just in love with this packaging. Like, it's simple but cute, and that's who I am. I'm simple but cute. Like, I can be a little over the top sometimes, but just simple, cute, and easy. I love it. And it's very nice, cute little box. So I am very happy and pleased with my vendors. And yes, I'm just super excited to be starting this business and doing this journey with you guys. I'll be launching in 2 days, so I'm just super excited, and I'm still trying to get a lot of stuff done with the website. But yes, I'm excited. It's a lot of work. I'll have more videos coming along on how to apply for an LLC, because it's super easy, and I think a lot of people get a little discouraged by the process. So I will go over that with you guys in a future video, and how to get your business account, your business license, and all of that nature, how to do a operational agreement and everything of that nature. All the business stuff coming very soon. Right now I'm just trying to work on the website so I can get all my products up there and looking, you know, nice and good, because I'm taking all my own product photos. So that is what I'm working on right now. I'm just super, super pleased and super excited. So I had to just jump on here and share with you guys the stuff that I have going on. Oh my God. So yes, Flirty Girl Lashes LLC coming to you June 1st. So go on and follow us on Instagram, Facebook at Flirty Girl Lashes. And you can follow my personal page at Shantelle Lace 32 on Instagram and Facebook. But that is all I have for this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.